All right, we are back for our second set.
That's fine.
We're going to do a song that I wrote called Rocket Shoes. And you know, people really got to start thinking about the future, you know, new technologies, new things. And personally, I never really kept up with my shoe game, but you know, I heard about these. I needed these, right? I need BMW M2 rocket shoes so I can cruise, but there's other things where they'd be of use. Shame on you if you give me any sass, cause I got the worst way to put my foot up your ass. Rocket shoes, you can go ahead and laugh. They might not look that tight, but it's a new fad. Better get them while they last. If you don't, you'll feel bad, cause everybody's doing it and we mash. Late for class? Here's some rocket shoes. Out of gas? Try these rocket shoes. Are you listening to what I'm talking to? Dude, by having me use these fucking rocket shoes, I haven't a clue. And man, I got those for you. You're being rude, and I don't like that you don't like them like I do. If you don't get that, then I don't get you, and you ain't getting my rocket shoes.
Never.
Rocket shoes. 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 I hope I live to see the day when they make rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. I need rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Cause everybody thinks that they can kick ass, but I got rocket shoes. I do it with the class. And in a while, they'll revamp their style. Rocket shoes suitable for any lifestyle. Like to hike, climb a cliff in milliseconds. Like to dance, kill them all with hella trippy pyrotechnics. Defense weapon, more than effective. Wireless internet, GPS directions. Used to have Swiss Army knives, but that was way back when. Now they use something else. What's it called? Oh yeah, Leatherman. Go tell a friend, go ahead and spread the word. Cause by 2010, if you ain't got it, we'll call you a nerd. And laugh at you as we blast right past you. Cause you can't do shit when I can run this fast, dude. Act rude, try to tell me it ain't a hit. Cause you're stupid if your imagination can't be futuristic. I'm trying to blast off when this world ends. Now I'm lying, I just want something tight to show a friend. Rocket shoes. 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 I hope I live to see the day when they make rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. I need rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Cause everybody thinks that they can kick ass, but I got rocket shoes. I do it with the blast. I know you wanna see the day when they make rocket shoes, so girls finally got a reason to come talk to you. Yeah, rocket shoes. It's the game inflator, and every time you walk it's like an escalator. They ain't too loud. The fumes are dumped down. They don't need fuel. Wow, they do it somehow. Now you probably ain't gonna see them for a while. When they come out, you best go find a pair. They'll be so versatile, reactive and smart, perfect for martial arts. With accurate darts that track with movable parts. Forget about the arts, figure skating, ballet dance, and I see drastic advancements in the sport of gymnastics. They'll port of you bastards. Everybody gets a hit. Cause if that happens, ain't no competition. Nothing will be fair. Nobody cares. I give you rocket shoes and you scared of them. I dare you to try to race me when I'm wearing them. Rocket shoes. 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 I hope I live to see the day when they make rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. Rocket shoes. I'm gonna pay for a prostitute to kick me wearing rocket shoes. Cause everybody thinks that they can kick ass, but I got rocket shoes. I do it with the blast.